Well, I wanted to do an unboxing video real quick while nobody else is in the house. Quick before it gets full of people. And there's literally like nowhere in this house that I can do a nice video. But I've got my Ketochow, the mystery box. I don't know if everybody gets the same mystery box. And it came like this. And here it is, one surprise box. Surprise box. And here's how to do it and nutritional info. Let's see what all we got. Okay, I've got 2 apple pie, a blueberry, which I love the blueberry. Reminds me of the Boo Berry cereal, you know. I used to get that when I was a kid and when I was a grown-up. Because I love the blueberry. I got pistachio, which I have not tried yet, so that'll be fun. I've got a maple waffle. I don't think I've tried that one yet either, so that'll be fun. I've got, eggnog. I definitely have not tried that one. We'll see. I don't think I'm a big fan of eggnog, but we'll see. Maybe I just never liked the sound of eggnog. Like, that sounds disgusting. Ew. So anyway, lemon meringue. I do like that one. I'm pretty sure I've tried that. Strawberry. Regular strawberry. I prefer the ones that are like strawberry cream or vanilla cream. Those taste delicious. This one is fine. It's fine. I've got a creamy tomato basil, which, you know, you can use it in recipes. You're not gonna make it into a milkshake. Get real. And there's party stuff. And then I've got my big bag. But before I show you the big bag, I've got my first set of recipe cards. And this is recipe cards for October 2023. And the first one is a tomato basil stuffed chicken. Looks delicious. Can you see it? It looks delicious. Perhaps I will try that. Or perhaps I will do something similar. Do you want to know what the other recipe cards are? The cats always make noise like this, so ignore them. Okay, so then there is cinnamon almond coffee cake. Okay, I'll check it out. Apple cheddar sausage rolls. We'll see. I don't do anything that's too complicated. If it's complicated, I'm not gonna do it. Pistachio punch. You can have that at a baby shower. Not that I'm going to any baby showers. Classic peanut butter cups. You can make your own peanut butter cups? What? What? How do you do that? I guess I can find out. It's on the back. So that is all my recipe cards. Very interesting, fun. And my big bag is, you might guess from one of those recipes that I did not also have something that went with it. Chocolate peanut butter. So I can make a bunch of shakes or, you know, use this a bunch of times because it is a giant bag. And then these, you know, are single serve packets. And they make little milkshakes, or you can do other stuff with it too. So if I do anything too interesting with it, I will make videos and let you know what I do with my keto chow stuff. I've already tried, I made a video, did you see it? Go back and look for it. I made some keto pumpkin muffins and they're really good. I hear people coming home. Okay. Or is it a cat? I don't know, but I'm gonna go because that's all I had, and I just wanted to give you a quick update of what I had in my surprise keto chow box. Thank you. You know, do that for me, okay? Thanks.